Hurry up, it starts snow. Hurry up, it starts snow.
Hurry up.
What happened? What happened? We want to go to see the new cooking episode.
Hurry up.
Hi guys, in this video we want to show you how to cook delicious ragu. At first we chop a large onion. Ragu is a French food rich in vitamins. In the preparation of this dish, a combination of meat, carrots, green beans and potatoes is used, all of which provide calories, vitamins and protein needed by the body. Peel and chop 2 carrots. The carrot is a root vegetable, typically orange in color, though heirloom variants including purple, black, red, white and yellow cultivars exist, all of which are domesticated from of the wild carrot. Dacus carrot native in Europe and southwestern Asia. Cut 6 medium tomatoes into 4 parts. We roast our meat and then we add the chopped onion to our meat until it is fried. After our meat and onion are fried a little, we added about 300 grams of chopped green beans to our ingredient. We add some spices to our ingredients. And then we add chopped tomatoes to our ingredients. We add about 100 grams of pinto beans to our ingredients. We add some natural mineral salt to our ingredients. In this level, we add the necessary amount of water to our ingredients. Add some cinnamon and a few roses to our ingredients. Chop 3 medium potatoes and add them to our ingredients. Chop 3 garlic cloves and add them to our ingredients. Let our ingredients cook well. Enjoy our delicious prepared food.